Hi everyone, welcome back to Secure 7. If you are new here, my name is Parth Virani and I am creator content of cybersecurity, ethical hacking and penetration testing. If you are passionate about learning cybersecurity skills, make sure subscribe and hit the bell icon. Cybersecurity is all about the securing system and networks from attacks. But before we can secure anything, we need to find vulnerabilities. That's where automated vulnerability scanning tools come in. These tools help to detect the security flaws without manually going through every file or configurations. Today I will introduce you to 5 great tools for beginners. So here you can see here is the 5 tools, which is Nmap or OpenVAS and Nikto, Burp Suite and Nessus is a 5 tools which is freely, but Nessus is not a freely 7 days free trial. So let's start with Nessus is one of the most popular vulnerability scanner. So here you can see try a tendable Nessus free for 7 days. You can your business email type and buy it. It helps to identify misconfigurations, missing patches and known the exploits. It's beginner friendly and widely used by professionals. Next we have OpenVAS. Here you can see OpenVAS is here. Next up is the OpenVAS. It's a open source vulnerability scanner that provides a deep scans for detecting security weaknesses. It's a great alternative to commercial tools. Next we have a Nikto. Nikto is a simple but powerful web server scanner. It's look for outdated software, security misconfigurations and non-vulnerabilities in the web applications. And for the web security testing, Burp Suite is an excellent tool. While the free version has the limitations, it still provides a useful scanning for features for beginners. Here is the Burp Suite software, which is provide a target proxy. You can intercept the proxy of your browser and getting the request informations here, and HTTP history is here, and with using intruder you can brute force on the login page, register page and any other field, and the repeater has to change the request of the, you can send the forwarded the request to the server, you change the request and after the request is sent. So Burp Suite is the best. Lastly we have detect vulnerabilities. It's a must have for cybersecurity essentials. So this is the Nmap here, you can see, and you can just type the commands, which is sl, sn, pn, ps. There is a many commands is here, and you can see here scripts are here. You can use the scripts, and OS detection for -o is for OS detections, firewall detections, and you can output in one separate file, so you can -on for the output file. And here is the example of Nmap which is using. So these 5 tools are a great starting point if you are new. These 5 tools are great starting point if you are new into the vulnerability scanning. Which tool you have to use before, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Secure 7 for more cybersecurity content. See you again in the next video.